Sanibona bafethu uvane lo. So ama-games amabili alandelayo for Orlando Pirates ama-games abalulekile kwi-Orlando Pirates. Lama games omabili Orlando Pirates izoba wadlala away from home. Njengoba nje izowadlala away from home kulindeleke ukuthi abalandeli abahlala eThekwini bafike baphume bagcwale bayosupport iOrlando Pirates ngoba nje igame yokuqala iyodlalwa eMlazi eyesibili idlalele eMos Mabhida. So ama-fans amaningi kumele ayothenga ama-tickets. Igame yokuqala izobe idlala midweek against iGolden Arrows leshisa kakhulu mase kuthi kwi-Carling Knockouts ngomgqibelo lapho khona kube kudlala i-semi-final. So lama games uma-2 abalulekile indlela eyisimanga. So ngizokhuluma ngezinto iOrlando Pirates ekumele i-expect lama team ala KwaZulu Natal. Lama team ke bafethu currently ungasho ukuthi iyashisa iGolden Arrows. Ungeke usho kakhulu ngeRichards Bay, angifuni ukuyidelela iRichards Bay i-team ekwazi ukudlala but ke let's not lie to ourselves. I don't think izokwazi ukuyinikeza Orlando Pirates inkinga but ke ngizokhuluma ngeRichards Bay later on. When you look at i-team enjengeGolden Arrows, i-team enjengeGolden Arrows bafethu akusiyona i-team esingayithatha kancane. Akusiyona i-team esingayithatha kancane and I saw a lot of people saying Orlando Pirates izodlula lula kule team yamanqoba mnqithi. Masubheke umanqoba mnqithi, masubheke ku the last 6 games, the last 6 or 5, the last 6 games yes abawadlalile. Last 6 games bawina amathathu, badliwa mangaki, badliwa amathathu. Uma subheke ama games abawadliwa amathathu, bawadliwe bedlala away. Njobe bawadliwe nje bedlala away, bawadliwe ngeyikwe engekho that far off. Because I remember their last loss, they were playing against the Steelers, they lost ngo-4-3. Njobe nje badliwa ngo-4-3, yabo abadliwa ngescore ongazubabaza ukuthi hawu badliwe ngescore esingaka, bahlezi bezodliwa ngo-1-0, bezodliwa ngo-2-1 ikwe kanjalo, yabo bebedlala away. But bebedlala home, ilento engifuna ukuyi-highlight, bebedlala home, their last 3 home games bawawinile. Their last 3 home games bawawinile and benza sure ukuthi bayawin. Even when they play i-Carling Knockouts, they make sure they win those games. Mhlawumbe bedlala neMarumo Gallants. Le Marumo Gallants le yashaya iOrlando Pirates. Mina ngikhumbula ke iGallants yashaya iOrlando Pirates kule season. iGolden Arrows namhlanje ibashaya ngo-4-0. Golden Arrows bavele nje yabanika 4-0. Manqoba mnqithi kunento ayipheka lapha. And lento ayipheka lapha ama-team amaningi kumele enze sure ukuthi me-approach iKingswell a-approach kahle. A-approach ngobunono, a-approach agade. Sundowns iguqile lapha eKingswell. Iguqile eKingswell iSundowns kukhona obani Santos. uSantos akazi. Angimbonanga kule game iOrlando Pirates. Angimbonanga kule game iPirates neSundowns. Muphi uSantos? Ngikhombiseni isithombe sakhe angimazi. iGolden Arrows yagoqisa isikhukhuni lapha khona eKingswell. So akusiyona i-team esingayithatha kancane, baningi abafana abadlalayo lapha abancane abadlalayo, yabo. So for me I think Orlando Pirates izobhekana nenkinga ngempela during i-midweek. So mase i-approach le game le ngokuyi-underestimate le team le ingase isiguqise. Manqoba mnqithi uyakwazi usekawadlala kuma-team amakhulu, uyawuthi ama-team amakhulu ayi-approach kanjani igame bezodlala nama-team amancane. So uyayazi mindset yocoach abaningi abacoach ama-team amakhulu umanqoba mnqithi. So le game le uzofika eyiprepare kakhulu, yabo. Sabona ikwenza kule team le Sundowns, yabo. So ngithi nje mina kumele sibe watch, yabo, kumele sibe watch. Ningakhohlwa ke bafethu ama-tickets aphumile iyobidlalwa le eKingswell igame. Kumele nithenge ama-tickets bafethu, izobidlala ngo-7:30 igame. Nimele niyoyibuka le game le. Ngifuna usold out, angithandi uku-attend ama-matches angawona usold out. Ekwenzekile ke siyohlangana khona eKingswell. Mekwenzekile angisho ukuthi ngithini, yabo. Mekwenzekile siyohlangana khona, kodwa ke sengiyokhuluma ngegame la engazikhona ngempela ukuthi abantu abaningi bazongibona lapha eMos Mabhida bafethu. Ngiyathanda eMos Mabhida, angithandi kodwa ukuyobukela imatch engawusuyona usold out. So uma nalo ke lapho ithuba ngicela nje uvuke kusasa, ama-tickets aphumile R80 umuntu eyedwa. Semi-final le Orlando Pirates njengoba iyodlala nje i-semi-final kumele iye kwi-final, kumele iye kwenye final. So bayodlala another team eqhamuka khona bafethu le eKZN. Njengoba bayodlala nje neteam yaseKZN enye, Natal Rich Boys bafethu. We played against the Natal Rich Boys in the same competition. I think it was 2022 if I'm not mistaken, 2022 or 2023. Yeah, I think kwaku-2023 lapho kona bashaya khona ngama-penalties. Ngisayikhumbula leyo match, ngangiyi-attendile, kwakungekho mnandi bafethu. Kwakungekho mnandi ukushawa iRichards Bay. Beze bevunjelwe ugoalkeeper wesafunda umatric ngaleza ikhathi lo goalkeeper wasivimbela ama penalty kwakungekho mnandi oDion Hotto besho ama penalty but ke kule game this is a different Orlando Pirates and a different Richards Bay. A different Orlando Pirates and a different Richards Bay. So kule game le bafethu ama fans ngicela aphume ngobuningi awo support Orlando Pirates. Izobe nje etholakala amathikithi ko Checkers, atholakala futhi naka USave naka Shoprite ungahamba uyolithenga ithikithi noma ka Open Tickets mufuna ukulithenga online. But ke le game kumele kube sold out. Ngizoshaya nje ama video from today nje kuyisonto until uFriday next week. Bafethu igame kumele siyoyisupport. Le game le I don't think Orlando Pirates izoba yabo umsebenzi omningi. I don't think sizothola kanzima kakhulu kule game le but ke angimele underestimate enye yezinto leyo sebefike kuma semifinal kathathu in a row kwi calling knockout sebefike kathathu in a row so they know the stage bayasazi le stage Richards Bay njoba isazi nje le stage so angimele nathi sibathathe kancane kumele siba respect as ama opponent yabo sibafieldele abadlali abaqinile sibashaye kahle nje baphume but ke wena ungangitshela ama comments how do you feel about these games ingabe uzobukhona uzowabukela and umabili lawo magame ngabe sowawina and sowawina ngegoal engakanani.